Hello. What are you doing?
Just looking at the ticket for going back. Of course, you've got to electronically validate it.
Yeah, got to validate it at the station or the stop. There's that goal.
Non-recyclable waste.
Murano everywhere. Anyway, so did you enjoy your lunch?
Yes, very nice.
What'd you have?
Caprese salad.
Yeah, gorgeous, isn't it?
Nice.
What were you doing? Where are you?
We're in the island with a Murano.
Murano.
glass.
Yeah, Murano's the name.
And we had a wee
Tour. Guided tour.
special guided tour.
Just us.
Personal guided tour. The tour bus around his little company. We saw them making a couple of things, glasses, like tumblers. And the man who the tour guide,
Can't hear you, sorry.
oh, I'm sorry.
It's okay.
We had a nice guided tour by the man of the company, and he took us through all the different parts, from the beginning to the end, and we saw quite a few lovely pieces of work. It
Yeah.
takes days to make for a small tumbler. It takes days to make because of the way they've got to shape it, heat it, shape it again, cut it again, shape it again, put it in over 1,000 whatnot in the furnace. And it takes, depending on the piece, it takes, I think it was 3 days working.
He said 36 hours.
36 hours. So, yeah, very interesting.
Yeah. It certainly
Nice
was.
prices, but very interesting. But then again, for a chandelier, who's got that much money? Except a millionaire.
Well, doesn't have to be a millionaire, but 1,750 is a lot. Couldn't fit that in the bag to take home either, but they'll ship for you.
Yes, we'll ship for you.
But did we buy anything? That remains to be seen.
That's right. Maybe saw some lovely pieces.
Yeah. I will say that I bought cufflinks, that's all I'm saying.
Yes.
Which were really nice. Not mass production,
You could spend
just unique pieces.
for it.
You
You could spend a lot of money if you have it.
I mean, that's a good thing. I mean, if those cufflinks are unique, no one else will have them. Ever. They can make one of the same colour, but no one else will have them.
Because it's 40 minutes, 45 minutes. And it's like that one.
So, you're going to have a dessert?
Are you?
I might do, yes. And are you going to have some tea?
I might just have a cup of tea.
Yeah, good. And those glasses will be unique Murano as well.
We need to go to Kelowna and is the dive.
No.
It's another island smaller than this. And another after that you have in Turkey. But
Oh well.
Now
You're just relaxing here, aren't you?
Yeah.
Lovely being nice by the boats.
they start closing all the shops
And that bridge is over there. No, we went round the corner from the bridge.
in the morning or 11 o'clock. Because it's not too much to see, it's just the colorated houses and some homemade t-shirts.
Hello.
And it's very small.
Şey diyor,
That's where we are.
orada bir kapalı dükkanlar diyor. Saat kaç? 4 gibi. Hani gittiğinizde kapalı kalır diyor.
Okay. Well, maybe when we get a chance, we should get some dessert and tea. Sounds like a good idea to you?
What's that?
Maybe we should get some dessert and tea.
Well, you got to say I'll get to you.
Right, I think I'll stop this video before you do your maintenance.
Before we go.
You do your maintenance.
Amazing.
Your maintenance.
I've done it.
Oh, have you?
Oh,
Didn't
you mean
notice?
the-
Yes,
this?
yes.
Oh,
Right, say bye-bye. I'm going to say bye. Ciao.
ciao.
Ciao.